So let's start with how to read binary. In the concept of the past lessons of measurements and calculation, a topic that should be introduced to you is the binary. The word binary is a number system. The number system we know is the decimal, the 1 to 9 to 0, 0 to 9, In binary, from the word bi, it means it will only use two. Okay, so by, yung word na by. So, we only use two numbers, and that is 1 and 0. Okay, so here in the idea, in the concept of binary, we will use only two numbers. Okay, because binary is the only language that the machine understand. Okay, so um, it is the only way for us to communicate with the computers to convert everything into binary. And with that, we need, as an ICT, as a future IT student, you need to understand how these binary help us to understand concepts in terms of understanding the computer. Okay, so we will start with how to read a binary rather. Okay, so how to read a binary, so how we could understand the concept of it. Okay, so allow me to start it with the next one. Okay, so when you see a binary number, pronounce each digit. uh, each example, the binary number, as you can see there, is spoke as 101 or sometimes 101. Okay, so 101, 101, not 101. Now 101, we will pertain it to a decimal. That's how we read numbers in decimal. In binary system, 1 is equals to on or true and 0 is false. Okay, also to read a binary number, get the turn on values only and sum it up. No need to include the turned off values. Okay, so um in doing the conversion as related to our will go, I will show you ways how we can come up with conversion. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, here, so you can see here value, um an 8 bit or an 8 bit and an 8 bit or 1 byte. Okay, so let's say an 8, sorry for this one, ang hirap talaga pag mouse lang. So an 8 bits with S kasi, okay, an 8 bits is equals to 1 byte. Ayan. Pardon for this one. Ang hirap talaga pag mouse ang gamit. Okay? So, 1 byte. Okay? So, you can see here that I have here the values 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Yan yun how we put binary numbers. We should know the placement of binary numbers. Okay, so like example, you have here 0000001 is equals to 1. So, tinurn on mo lang is si 1. Kung anong i-turn on mo, and then you add it, that would be your value. If you turn on, like example, 4, i-turn on mo. So, paano mo ito-turn on si 4? So, example, sabi ko nga, nagiging 1 siya. So, si 4 plus si 1, so yung 101 is equals to 5. Okay? 4 plus 1 is 5. So, 101 equals 5. Okay? So, kasi na-on mo ang 1. Okay? So, we turn on values and what corresponds to its placement, the numbers that we assign at the top. Constant yan sila. And so on and so forth, then from 1 to 8, double 8, double 8, double 8. So, that's how we turned on. The moment that we turn on the values, mas madali na natin makuha. Okay? Kasi may corresponding placement kasi ang ating mga value sa bits. So, like example, yun, kanina 101, that's 5 because the terminal value is 5. Always starts from right. Okay, from right dito. We always start here. Okay, we always start here. Okay, we have two methods in converting binary to decimal. Okay, binary to decimal. Like example, um, binary, if we go for like example yung 111, ano ba yan siya sa decimal? If it's in the base 2, always yan naka-base 2 para at least alam natin. Kasi pwede naman siyang 111 na base 10. Let's say 111 base 10. Base 10 is decimal. Base 2 is binary. So, ang gusto natin magiging decimal to siya. So, ano to siya? 111 in decimal. So, we have binary table and 1 is multiplication. So, yung table na introduce ko na kanina. So, create a binary table. Input the binary value into the table properly. Each digit should be entered on the correct column starting from the right to the left. So, you have example here. 11001000. You start from here going there. Okay? So, 11001000. So, ilalagay mo siya sa ating table. From here, 11001000. So, ngayon nakita mo na kung saan ang na-turn on. Yung may 1, automatic that's turn on. So, what we're gonna do is, from that, you add all those turned on values. This is that. Now, at 16 plus 2 plus 1, and that is 19. Easy as that. Now, decimal to binary conversion naman. So, rule, if the fraction is 1/2 or 0.5, it is equivalent to 1. So, in converting a decimal number to binary, all you have to do is divide the number by 2. Okay, divide the number by 2. Write the quotient and multiply the remainder by 2. Divide the remainder by 2. Repeat step 2 and 3 hanggang mapunta sa bottom. And you read the binary from bottom to top. Okay, let's have it. Yung 19 kanina na from binary, tingnan natin kung yun ba talaga ang lalabas. Okay? So, yung 19. So, decimal number natin. So, 19 divided by 2. Okay, 19 divided by 2 to give you 9. Okay. Pero, kasi magiging 9.5, tama? So, may remainder 1 siya. Pag may 0.5, automatic remainder 1. Basta 9 and a half, basta may half siya, that is remainder 1. Na ngayon, ibaba na natin yung si 9. 9 divided by 2 na naman. That is 4. Pero we know that when you do 9 divided by 2, that's 4.5. May 0.5, tama? So, meron kang 1 as a remainder. Now, 4 divided by 2, that will give you 2. Now, that will give you 0. Walang remainder. As in, serado 2. Okay? Dalawa. So, remainder mo is 0. Now, si 2, ibaba natin. 2 divided by 2, that will give you 1. Si 1, walang remainder. Tama? Okay, wala naman siyang 0.5. Wala siyang 1/2. Wala siyang half rather. So, 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2. If you will compute that, that is 0.5. May 0.5. Nandun yung konsepto ng 0.5. Dahil 0.5 siya, ilalagay mo na 0 dito. Pero dahil 0.5 siya, that's 1. And then you read from bottom to top. 10011. At yun na nga, 10011. When you, balik tayo dun sa table natin kanina, same din talaga yung unang given. Okay? So that's it. So that's how you read it. The easiest way. Okay, so you have here convert 10 decimal to binary and check using binary table. So, magiging mahirap siya. So, convert 10 to binary. So, yung 10 mo mismo ha. So, try natin. 10. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Ayan. There's an issue. I want you to try yourself. Okay, so 10 divided by 2. Okay. Divided by 2, that will give you 5. May remainder? Wala. So, 0. Now, si 5. Si 5, i-divide natin by 2. So, 5 divided by 2, that is 2. 2.5. So, may 5, may 0.5, that's 1. Okay. 2 divided by 2, that will give you 1. May remainder? Wala. Wala. Now, si 1 divided by 2, that will give you 0.5. So, 0 dito, 1 dito. You read from, yan. You read from bottom to top. So, that will give you 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Now, let's check using binary table. So, in binary table, di ba remember you have 1, 2, you have 4, you have 8, you have 16, 32, and so on, so forth. Okay, hindi ko na kasi mahirap. Nailagay natin si 0, si 1, si 0, at si 1. So, sinong naka-on? Si 8 plus, sino? Si 2. So, 8 plus 2 is 10. So, as a checking check, ganun, tama tayo sa ating computation. Okay? So, that's how we do this conversion. Okay. And next, we'll start. We have quiz here. Okay. So, we have quiz here. So, sa quiz natin, tingnan natin, may quiz tayong aanseran. Okay. Dapat to siya, nasa ano kayo? Now, dyan, kung nasa room tayo, on the spot quizan na to. Ayan. So, I want you to try to answer. So, what is the base of the binary number system? Ano daw ang base ng binary number system? So, nasabi ko kanina. Okay. How do we read binary numbers? Pronouncing the two digits 1 and 0. Using 10 digits 0 to 9. We cannot. Okay, we cannot read. We read by writing it. Okay. So, convert the decimal number 3 to binary. Convert si 3. Si 3. Pag i-divide mo siya by 2. Okay. Doon sa table din, kung sino ba i-on mo doon para maging 3. Ganun lang din siya. Why is it important to learn binary numbers in the context of computer system? A. Binary numbers are regularly used in computer programming. B. Binary numbers are essential for understanding how computers process information. C. Binary numbers have no relevance to computer systems. And D. Binary numbers are just decoration. Oh, saan dyan? Saan dyan yung nagsasabi ng it's important to learn? Okay. So, if we check, dito na ang sagot natin. Ayan. So, let's proceed. So, actually, you have method 2 in converting binary to decimal. So, here you have an assignment wherein you will put in 1/2 crosswise. But then, if because of the solutions that you need to present to me, because of the solution and syempre, I think the 1/2 crosswise based from my experience with other students, other class, especially my regular class, kulang yung 1/2. So, they asked me if they could answer it in a bond paper or in a one whole yellow paper. Then na ko na inlaw ko naman because aside from these 5 items, so may 5 katao masasagot nito, and then you have also this is from binary to decimal. And then you will be having the other way around, okay? So from 1 to 5, I want you to answer this one. And then the next one would be this one. So another 5 items for decimal, 2 binary. Okay, so 10 students, lucky students will be picked and the next meeting, and I want you to be ready. I want you to be ready. I want you to understand. In this lesson, in this video, you can rewind it. If happened na medyo hindi mo masyadong na-gets, pwede mong balikan. Okay? But this topic is so easy, I might say it, because you just have to divide, you just have to add, you just have to have the understanding of what is on and off. And we already have new knowledge of number system, that the number system we know, the decimal number, and more than that. This is more than we are now talking about machine code, machine language, okay? Machine language or machine code, the language the machine understand, which is the binary number. So that's why it is imperative for you to know, and it's vital being in an ICT to know this one. Okay, so again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope hindi lang kayo mag-watch, mag-rewind, but I hope you also subscribe to the video so that may next makikita nyo mga videos ko, and mag-like naman kayo ng mga videos. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for being here with me tonight, and I hope to see you soon. If there is a disruption again with my class, then I have to do again a discussion. So marami na akong gagawin, marami akong nakaplano because after this is one, we will go for conversion in other binary number system rather. So we already have binary decimal, meron pa tayong octal and hexa decimal. Okay, and then afterwards, I will introduce already the application software we're in. Um, it's vital also kasi if we will jump on computer system servicing without even touching applications, it's so sad, so sad, so hard kasi you didn't even have the experience to go for Microsoft Word, PowerPoint. So that's why I have to introduce that to you. So, may experience din kayo dyan sa mga software na yan, okay? And typing, I will try to master you in terms of typing kasi para naman medyo mabilis tayo. Ayan, okay? So, thank you so much again. So, this is Teacher Chris and thank you for watching. Okay, bye-bye. Good night. Thank you. Ayan. Oh, thank you daw. Thank you. Thanks so much for watching.